Radio the Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
నమస్కార్
నమస్తే.
నమస్కార
వణక్కం.
ఖుషామదీ
సలాం అలైకుం.
సత్ శ్రీ అకాల్
మీకందరికి వందనము.
जय स्वामी नारायण.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
జయ జనేంద్ర
मैं इस्माइल भाबंदों को बोलते या अली मदद.
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंदनों को हम बोलेंगे निसाम बोला हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के दौरे मैं सिर्फ दी ऑसम आल्तो बाबा साथ में हमारी शामिल होंगे हमारी वेरी ओन फालतू रानी
That's right, जानी. मैं आपकी डार्लिंग प्यारी फालतू रानी.
तो इसमें क्या डिफरेंट था फालतू रानी मैंने बताया ऑलरेडी राइट
आ गई हूँ बनाने आपकी शाम को थोड़ी और मसारी. चल जमूरे बता आज का थीम क्या है.
जब जमुरे बात कर तो मैं क्या करूं यार मैंने मजान मदारी तो मैं नहीं हूं
बुरा बोल दिया.
हे मैं मदारी नहीं है फालतू डजंट मैटर लेकिन द पॉइंट ऑफ मेकिंग फालतू आज का टॉपिक इज गोइंग टू बी समथिंग वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग नोबडी वुड हैव थॉट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक आल्सो
Okay.
because there's something which I always thought of Indian cinema फालतू
Huh.
Indian cinema have classified different categories of roles
Huh.
right hero typical role एक है
Huh.
right and everybody falls in a hero type role or heroine type role
Okay.
समझ रहे ना तेरी बात ना तो अगर लाइक फॉर तेरे को देखा तो ऑफ कोर्स हीरोइन टाइप दिखती है तू राइट मतलब you'll fit into a hero role kind of a thing.
क्या?
Right? हाँ.
कुछ भी?
Of course, if I look at me, I look like a villain, you know, that kind of comedy villain kind of a thing, perfect fitting in a thing, yeah. And like that, you know, there are many things that way, right? Suppose some people fit like character actors, like I fit like character actors role. You know, I'll make very good with a character actors role. I'll be
No
like,
रे तू हीरो दिखता है. चल ठीक है तू ही विलन दिखता है.
ए फालतू नहीं, please.
तो ऐसे villain भी नहीं दिखता
मैं
है, तो
अपने स्टोरी
comedian
में
दिखता है.
मैं अपने स्टोरी में डेफिनेटली विलन हीरो सब कुछ हूँ. वेलकम दीपा जी कैसे हैं आप? आज मेरी सने माँ की बात कर रहे हैं बंधु जान तो आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना पड़ेगा एंड शेयर विद अस अगर आपके ऊपर एक फिल्म बना भाई आपके ऊपर आपके माँ के ऊपर एक फिल्म बना एज अ बायोपिक राइट हु विल प्ले द रोल ऑफ योर मॉम आज माँ के बारे में है कि माई का समय है माई का बात कि माई के बाद में बात करेंगे हम लोग बड़े जाने
Right.
It's all about the moms. And yes, until Mother's Day, we're going to do that for sure. I know some people who actually are mothers in the Bay Area who I know who will play their role. Now, you got to think of multiple. So, Fatwani, what don't you expect? Because you're a person who always talk technical and all, right? So, casting कैसे होता है? How does casting work, Fatwani? Like, suppose कोई biopic कर रहा है, एक real life incident का person है. How do you actually pick up a person to play that role? How would you casting कैसे करते हैं आप?
Oh my God! How do you pick a person to play a role? Okay. Well, Banichan, you have to look at the person that you're casting for. Your character.
So
your character है.
Your character की बात करें तो when you're talking about the physical aspects of the person or what do you look like?
It could be everything, right? You want to see of course, physically also you look at who comes closest to it.
Oh, really?
But at the same, yeah, to an extent. Yeah. But because, but it's not all the way because makeup से आजकल कुछ भी चल सकता है, right? You can make them,
Correct.
you can, with makeup, you can make them, and costume design and everything, you can make them look as close to the person as possible. Okay, so a case in point being somebody like Kangana Ranaut playing Jayalalitha.
Yeah.
Right?
Or for the Hrithik Roshan playing the super 30 guys role.
Yeah,
Where
something
they paint
like
his face black and nobody gives him a hard time for
Yeah, nobody gives him a hard time for. Hey, don't bhatko fire from the topic, Ray. But the most important thing is you would need to see which is the actress who can pull off. You know the character, right? So the character of you're just talking generally about casting, right?
And generally casting
Okay,
देखो हमारे बंधु लोग ना दे IT
तो
professionals.
आपका कैरेक्टर जब लिखते हो राइट उसमें उस कैरेक्टर के कुछ मतलब नुआंसेस होते हैं मतलब उनके मैनरिज्म्स क्या होंगे उनका मतलब वो कैरेक्टर कैसे डेवलप होगा ओवर द कोर्स ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट कैरेक्टर कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन और somebody who has to show a lot of insecurity somebody who is very vulnerable who is the person who would best fit and would be able to be the best play that character to its fullest.
Yeah, because right now I want to shake up one particular mindset of our bandhus, right? Rather, I just want to shake up the mindset totally because Indian cinema has taught us what, Faltu Rani?
What has it taught us? Alvin?
मॉम बोलो तो एक टाइप कास्ट हो गया है,
हाँ,
राइट?
हाँ.
Either it has to be अचल सचदेव,
Achla Sachdev.
दीना पाठक,
Uh-huh.
सुलोचना लटकर, लीला मिश्रा, निरूपा रॉय, फरीदा जलाल, वाहिदा रहमान. Old Wahidah Rahman actually. No, because see, this one.
Or what is that lady?
Rakhi.
Reema Lagu.
Reema. Oh, Reema. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Jaya
Reema.
Bachchan.
ओल्ड जया बच्चन बाय द वे. तो ऐसा है, राइट?
हाँ.
तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं ना, तो इसको थोड़ा चेंज करने वाले हैं.
हाँ.
वी गोना मेक इट कूल टू एक्चुअली टॉक अबाउट मॉम्स.
Okay.
राइट? एंड मॉम्स के बारे में अभी लेट्स ओपन अप द कैटेगरी ऑफ कास्टिंग, राइट? इट्स हाइपोथेटिकली, राइट? हाइपोथेटिकली थिंक अबाउट, अगर आपके मॉम के ऊपर आपने एक स्टोरी लिखा और उसका एक फिल्म बनाया, कौन आपके माँ का रोल निभाएगा? Right? That's what it is. Now you might say, no, I think my mom's role has to be done by somebody from the yesteryears, the beautiful Madhubala. So what? Doesn't matter. Hypothetically speaking, yeah, we'll say, okay, that could be a good character, right? But you should call up over here and share with us. And tell us one thing. Like Faltari shared a few characteristics of what how a casting is done. You got to give us some logical reasoning as to why you think Madhubala will fit the role.
Correct.
Right? So how much of the casting, Faltari, is the talent of the artist?
The talent of the artist?
Or the talent of the person who's looking at the artist? Like, the casting director?
Both. I would say it's 50-50.
So you're saying that even the person who's you're picking as a role should be able to pull off the character of your mom. So obviously you can't have Malika Sherawat perform a mom's role.
Why?
Probably she can.
She probably can. Who knows? It depends upon if you believe that Malika Sherawat.
Or Sunny Leone.
Why would you pick that character?
I don't know. I'm just saying that.
No, anyway.
That particular person cannot.
Well, it depends. Will that person
be able to pull off?
No, we're not talking about what the person. It could be that too, right? Sometimes people cannot divorce the person's personal background from their on-screen character or their on-screen persona.
Correct.
So you need to look at those angles as well. Okay,
it's going to be tough, Faltari. It's going to be very tough. You think I'm going to be able to do this?
I think so. I think it'll be like nice, no? So
fun.
think about it, Vinjal. How many times have we thought about our moms as heroines?
Uh-huh.
How many times have you thought about it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's mama. Oh, mom. Oh, माँ तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की क्या मूरत होगी? You like equate mom to God.
Oh shoot.
But
yes.
how many times have we actually thought about, if you think about it?
माँ भी एक इंसान है.
हाँ, माँ भी एक हीरोइन है जिसके लाइफ में ग्लैमर है, जिसके लाइफ में प्यार है, रोमांस है, जिसके लाइफ में before you came into the picture maybe जिसके लाइफ में एक्शन है, थ्रिल्स है, कॉमेडी है, चीप थ्रिल्स है, सब कुछ है.
Why does it have to be that they have to be a Reema Lagu?
Yeah. Why does it have to be?
Nirupa Roy.
नहीं बेटा, oh भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो.
Let's break the stereotype, and let's start thinking about our mom stories and who will play that role. Right? Don't worry, Jan. Today is a day of no judgment as usual. Every day is no judgment for us.
Yeah.
So you got to call in here and participate.
And there's nothing wrong if you pick Nirupa Roy.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that. No way. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Okay?
Yeah.
So give us a call 408-912-2479. अगर आपके माँ पे एक सिनेमा बना तो मेरे सिनेमा कौन होगा? आपके सिनेमा कौन होगी? Who will play the role of your cinema mom? Or the story of your mom in that story about her, right? Number to call 408-912-2479. And of Kabajan, my father is asking what song I played. A song by Lakshmikant Pyarelal Falturani from the movie Raja Aur Rank. And एंड ऑफ कोर्स भाईजान, अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया कि आज का थीम क्या है, क्या पूछ रहे हैं आपको यार, आपको हम लोग सोचने पे मजबूर कर रहे हैं. वी आस्किंग यू टू थिंक क्रिएटिवली. थिंक अगर आपके माँ के ऊपर एक बायोपिक बना, आप ही लिखे होंगे यार, लेकिन अगर आपके माँ के ऊपर बायोपिक है तो माँ तो ऑफ कोर्स सेंटर ऑफ द मूवी रहेंगी. तो कोई ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर जो है, कौन who will do this? You can say, you know what, I don't like any of the heroines of the current scenario or for the previous past. I want to do a new scouting.
Yeah, you'll get new talent
That's fine.
to play that role. Call us and tell us. Manja, we'd love to hear from you. I don't know. This was just something we felt it would be really nice if we are able to do that, because it'll also give us an insight into looking at our moms in a different light.
Yeah, very
right?
important. Yeah.
As heroines themselves, not just as the hero of our lives they are, of course, but the heroines that they are meant to be. आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479. Another person I thought about was that Anupam Kher's wife, right? What's her name? Kiran Kher.
Kiran Kher, yeah.
Kiran Kher, or
She always has a problematic child.
Huh?
She always has a problematic child.
I don't know. She's one of those, like, you know, Punjaban moms. Like,
No,
you know,
she's always the problem child. Like, for instance, the Cocktail mein, she's the mom of Saif Ali Khan.
Oh, really?
In the movie Amma Dekh, she's the mother there.
Oh.
And Ma Ka Phone Aaya, she's the mother there.
Oh, really?
Dostana, the guy who actually is who turns to be gay, she's the mom there. Poor thing. Again, they typecast the whole mom scene there.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But let's see who you think will play a mom's role. Give us a call, 408-912-2479. Faltani, I have a role. I have one particular, thing. If at all my mom's story was to be done, right?
हाँ.
एक फिल्म में फिट नहीं होता है.
क्या?
उसका sequel निकालना पड़ता है.
बोले तो?
You know who actually fit perfectly to a mom's role?
Who you have somebody who would fit perfectly, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
As in perfectly, but casting me. I'm talking about rimming out the element of time totally out of the thing. A story was there. There are multiple heroines who can fit the role perfectly.
हाँ.
I really think one of them is going to be Tina Munim.
Tina Munim?
No. Who? Neetu Singh. Yes.
Neetu Singh.
Not Tina Munim. Neetu Singh.
Okay.
The same
Why?
chulbuli thing. Yeah, I've seen my mom's old photograph. She's very chulbuli.
Oh.
So I think she'll fit perfectly in that role.
Oh.
Yeah, it'll be like a shoe-in.
Do you think that Neetu Singh would be able to pull off the seriousness?
Oh, yeah.
and
In the 80s, when Neetu Singh was doing movies, I believe she's done some very nice serious roles.
Ah.
But she stopped acting because of the Kapoor family thing, though.
Oh.
Supposedly a very good actress.
Huh. Okay.
So I think she'll do justice to it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Banajan. So, Altu Baba says his mom. So, why you're going to give us a justification, like how people, you're asking people to call and share because they're not able to understand.
Yeah. Neetu Singh was a very good dancer.
Huh.
My mom was a very good dancer also.
Huh.
So probably, if at all I put in some nice sequences of dance and all, she will definitely fit in properly.
Oh, wow.
And I think the kind of alhadapan, the kind of, the playfulness and also the kind of thing which my mom used to have,
Huh.
I think Neetu Singh can pull it off.
Oh, really?
I've seen her do that in some of the roles of for movies, which I've seen some songs and everything.
Oh.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
I really think so, yeah.
Okay. Well, Banajan, you got to call us 408-912-2479. क्या यार तुम लोग चकमा खा गए क्या? चकमा मत खाओ.
चकना खाओ.
चकना खाओ और यहाँ पे फोन लगाओ 408-912-2479. बताओ कि अगर आपकी मम्मी, यार this is not fun if you don't call and you share.
Of course, yes.
अगर आपकी मम्मी के लाइफ का पिक्चर बनाया जाए,
हाँ.
right?
Uh-huh.
Not with you as a focus, okay? It's not
No.
your story
No,
and then
no.
your mom features as a mummy element.
No.
We're talking about her being the heroine of her
Yes,
story.
yes.
Which cine heroine will be the best fit to play your mom's role?
Correct.
Think about it.
सोच के यहाँ पे कॉल कीजिएगा, ऐसे मत कॉल कीजिएगा. 408-912-2479.
Hello, Pam. कौन है जी?
Pam.
कैसी है रे दीपा?
दीपा जी कैसे हैं आप?
हाँ, मैं कंफ्यूज हूँ.
कंफ्यूज
What?
क्यों हैं? Because बहुत सारे options हैं ना आपके पास. Hey, but Deepa,
ये
I would ask
बहुत
you.
ही,
Have you?
मतलब आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स में, आउट ऑफ द यूनिवर्स टॉपिक है. आपने जो
Of course.
ब्रेन
Of
बॉगलिंग है ना,
course.
थॉट.
Of course.
Okay.
So you would never have thought of it, right? See how.
नहीं, आई हैव थॉट ऑफ इट, लेकिन हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में पता नहीं.
नहीं, मतलब देखो, I thought I would ask you.
My
Hold
mom
on.
resembles a lot
Hold on.
a Kannada actress. I think she's Kannada or Malayalam, पता नहीं.
Who, Jayanti? Huh?
No.
Lakshmi.
Geeta.
Geeta is Kannada actress. Hey, but the point is,
Yeah.
the point I'm making is, so you actually thought of it, is it? Oh my God, I wish I had made a movie about my mom. I'll have Geeta perform. Is that what you thought of? No.
मूवी पे मैंने सोचा नहीं था, for sure. लेकिन yeah, she does resemble a
Acknowledge ना
lot,
रे, पहले ना
Geeta.
क्या बोलते हैं, give credit where the due it's due, right?
What?
Idea
Yes,
अच्छा ना,
yes.
फालतू ही सही
I'm
लिखे ना
giving you
idea.
credit. Yes,
हाँ.
yes.
Idea मस्त है. देखो अभी आप स्टोरी लिखोगे ना, बाद में शो बनाएंगे हम लोग.
हाँ, ठीक है.
And हम casting भी करेंगे.
कितने पाइपलाइन में कितने प्रोजेक्ट है?
अरे हमारे पास तो यार,
बनाना है,
we are
उसके
like,
बाद ये बनाना है.
अरे हम तो वॉल्केनो है यार आइडियाज के. बहुत
दीपा, सीरियसली अगर आइडियाज के लिए पैसा मिलता ना, आप लोग सबसे
सच में।
रिचेस्ट अमीरेस्ट लोग होते रहे. सीरियसली द वर्ल्ड आई एम टेलिंग यू, सीरियसली इतने
हाँ।
दिमाग है ना, इतने आइडिया आते हैं दिमाग में.
अरे कॉपीराइट बनाने के, पेटेंट बनाने का फलसरा नहीं, पता नहीं, you never know.
हाँ, चलेगा it doesn't matter.
There's nothing that's a unique idea,
I'll tell
somebody
you what,
told me.
nothing is unique. Thank you, welcome. You remember all this stuff, right? My goodness. And welcome. So Deepaji, I like it. So you're saying Geeta. So equivalent of Geeta Hindi सिनेमा में कौन है? Who
ना,
can-
वही मैं सोच रही थी, हिंदी में कौन होगी?
Geeta was tall.
Which will suit my mom's personality. I'm thinking Karishma Kapoor.
हाँ, you're right. Yeah, I would perfect combination. Yes.
करिश्मा
Only
कपूर.
Yeah.
eyes can be like lens पहनना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि her eyes are cat eyes and my mom has brown eyes.
हाँ, वो तो मेकअप
So-
सेटअप कर लेंगे. Don't worry यार, सेटअप कर लेंगे, मेकअप में कर देंगे. Actually, Father Geeta,
But
जो
because
Geeta,
I
suppose.
find her to be very क्योंकि करिश्मा इतना मतलब ये नहीं रहती ना, she is not so, क्या
No.
बोलते हैं, like
So you're saying that
outspoken नहीं है,
तो
outspoken नहीं है, अपने
reserved.
रहती है, अपने काम से
हाँ.
काम रखती है. My mom is like that, so little bit.
हाँ, तो your mom's so characteristic, she was very reserved and very docile,
Yes.
homely types.
हाँ.
One
Yes,
plat
yes,
daily, huh? That kind of stuff, right?
हाँ, yes,
Middle parting one part, okay, one plat.
yes.
Hey, very nice. See, now we got this, yeah. So I can imagine your mom actually, walking around in a college thing with the langa dami and everything, and your
Because
dad
I'm
coming in a
trying
cycle.
I am trying to see like similar personality in a heroine. Who will depict my mom.
Uh-huh.
तो मैं सबको सोच रही थी कैसे, and मेरी मम्मी मतलब, and also she's a very fair, I mean extremely fair है.
Fair and lovely,
उसका
yeah.
colour मेरी मम्मी का, तो वो भी मैं सोच रही थी क्या कौन सूटेबल होगा.
हाँ.
फिर मुझे पहले मैंने सोचा कंगना, लेकिन कंगना का
नहीं.
पर्सनालिटी मम्मी का थोड़ा अलग है पूरा.
हाँ, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. Kangana, don't worry. I don't think Karishma Kapoor is a very good choice. I like Karishma Kapoor.
Yes.
Karishma Kapoor would be a good choice,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah.
So you're saying it's because of the complexion and she dances like your mom.
Personality, yes,
Oh.
yes.
Yeah,
Nice.
nice,
Very
nice.
good, very
Okay.
So Deepaji, now we got the idea, right? So story लिखो यार.
Yes.
Story लिखो मैं भेजो. हम लोग लगा देंगे.
So, okay, perfect. So, very nice to hear, Altu Baba. So I'm trying to think Karishma Kapoor and who would. Okay, never mind. That we'll do on Friday.
Yeah, नहीं अभी I know what you're asking.
Yeah.
And Tejas already when you guys started program, immediately I asked him. I wanted him to brainstorm, and he said one character who will play my role.
Okay. He has to call.
he has to call,
No,
he
he
has
has
to
to
call.
call himself. Okay.
Yeah.
You can't share for him.
Tejas,
Hi Tejas.
No, you gotta call. Yeah, okay, fine.
Okay, he's called already. He's picked up the
Okay.
phone. Tejas. How are you doing, Tejas?
How are you doing, sweetie?
fine, all fine.
So tell me, Tejas, who would play your mom's role?
What's the name? You can ask them only. The person who played that mathematician.
Yeah, the person who played that mathematician, and people called her the human computer in that movie.
Yeah,
I
Vidya
forgot the
Balan.
name. It was Vidya something.
Vidya Balan. Yes. Very good. Very
Yes.
true.
Oh my
That's who I
God!
think will play my mom.
I can imagine. Totally. Good choice. My God, Teju, you're very good at this, man. We should work together on a project.
Why would you pick her? Tell us why.
Because it has the same kind of image, artistic and like vibrant.
Vibrant.
Oh
That
my
kind of image.
God! So sweet. Oh my God, that is so cute. Okay,
Super
what
impressed,
else?
man. What else? What are the characteristics you think Vidya Balan can play of your mom? Your mom is a good dancer. Vidya also dances well.
Well, yeah.
Okay. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, she's okay. She's not
Who, your mom or Vidya Balan?
Vidya Balan.
Vidya Balan's okay.
No, I think I
Overall image is like the same.
Yeah, no, but I think what he's saying is,
So you know, right? You've seen your mom, right? Your mom does, she sings, she dances. She's also your mom.
Yeah.
She's a disciplinarian. She's also a great cook. She makes you everything, and then she has all these expectations of you. She's also like the daughter of her parents and the sister of her siblings. So if we were to make a movie based on mom's life alone, where mom is the hero, where the heroine character is going to be played, you think Vidya Balan would be the best fit?
Yeah.
Is
that's
that
what he
right?
said. Yeah. But done. Good idea. Good. I like it.
I think so too, because Deepa is full of life. So is Vidya Balan. She plays beautifully. She plays characters that are full of life.
Yeah, live wire. Deepa also live wire. Vidya was live wire.
Right here.
Huh?
Okay, thank you.
Oh my God, you were sitting there all the while. How mean.
Yeah.
But anyway, Deepa.
नहीं I want to नहीं वो उसने दे दिया मुझे फोन वो इतना बात किया वही काफी
अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो यार. Very good. Deepa, so very good. We got two particular stories right now and two heroines. You're choosing Karishma Kapoor and your son chose Vidya Balan.
Oh my goodness, that is so sweet.
That's so nice of him to do that. I think it's a good fit
Yeah.
actually. It'll become a hit.
मुझे पूछ रहा था कि who is that मेरे दिमाग में आया नहीं like who is that girl who played mathematician Amma I think she has to play your role. Then I was like, oh my God, even I didn't think of Vidya Balan.
Why should you think of it? We'll think of it, no? For
नहीं,
you.
of course, नहीं.
Why are you worrying? Oh my
नहीं,
God.
नहीं, of course, I should not. Like, मैं बोल रही वैसे.
Yeah, it's very difficult to find somebody who can play my role. So I don't think about my role at all. I will play my role.
Correct.
Yeah.
वो tough है. I think it's, you are right. किसी
Nobody
और
can play
के
my role, right?
नजरों से अच्छा लगता है.
No, but nobody can play my role, you're saying, right? Very tough, very
Who
true.
will play Altu Baba?
Nobody will play. Nobody.
अच्छा.
Nobody. No, don't. I don't think so. No.
Nobody can play his role.
No. नहीं. They want.
अभिषेक क्योंकि अमिताभ बच्चन तो अभी ये हो गया अभिषेक बच्चन.
नहीं यार, नहीं. Abhishek Bachchan won't pull it off.
It'll take some time. No, it's okay. It's fine. बना नहीं यार ऐसा मोल्ड बना के फेंक दे भगवान ने क्या करे.
नहीं. तू खुद इतना नौटंकी है, तू खुद पहले कर ले.
Okay. So very good. Deepa ji, you have a dog also?
Deepa?
नहीं. No.
We heard a dog.
We heard a dog bark in the
No,
background.
we don't.
Come on,
She's
look at
scared
this.
we'll come
Don't-
off.
चलो मैं आलतू बाबा का कुछ सोच के बाद में कॉल करूँगी.
हाँ जरूर कॉल कीजिएगा okay.
Thank
you
you,
so much
Deepa.
Deepa. And of course बच्चा नंबर टू कॉल है 4089122479. मैंने बताया कि मेरे मॉम का अगर स्टोरी बना one of the stories at least be like 10 different stories because our life was very very nice and interesting. But I definitely will pick one story which will be all the nice fun stuff and everything, right? And the person who will play that role is going to be Neetu Singh.
Yeah.
Right? You ask me why. I think Neetu Singh, when she's on screen, you can't automatically smile.
Really?
When she comes on screen, right? You automatically smile. It's like a very nice, sweet kind of a thing.
See, she's Ranveer Kapoor's mom, that's why.
Hey, hello, my mom is that way, man. You look at her, probably anybody with her will automatically will start smiling. That's what I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. No matter how. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So here's a nice song, Neetu Singh Banjan. If you're wondering what song it Banjan, it is called Khullam Khulla Pyar Karenge. Kishore Kumar, Asha Bhosle ki आवाज Banjan.
Oh, we forgot another mom character.
Who?
Rakhi.
I spoke
You
about
said,
Rakhi.
huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
जल रहे हैं अरे तो जल ले तो खुली सड़क है बाबा
तो क्या हुआ भाई
हाँ तो हज जाए
हो जाए खुल्लम खुल्ला प्यार करेंगे हम दोनों खुल्लम खुल्ला प्यार करेंगे हम दोनों इस दुनिया से नहीं डरेंगे हम दोनों
हाँ प्यार हम करते हैं चोरी नहीं मिल गए दिल जोड़ा जोड़ी नहीं हम करेंगे जो जो कहे हमको जमाने से क्या
That's right, but that's Zamane Se Kya. And of course, I'll tell you what, Bhajan, this music is by R.D. Burman. Voices top Kamal mein Kishore Kumar and Asha Bhosle.
हम दोनों
हाँ प्यार हम करते हैं चोरी नहीं मिल गए दिल जोड़ा जोड़ी नहीं हम वो करेंगे जो जो कहे हमको जमाने से क्या
खुल्लम खुल्ला प्यार करेंगे हम दोनों इस दुनिया से नहीं डरेंगे हम दोनों
Yeah, sometimes I feel people don't look at the fun aspect of moms generally.
Huh?
Yeah, I think people generally look at the serious aspect of mom always.
That's true.
Yeah, they don't look at the fun aspect of mom. Because I know my mom has got so many kisses of fun. Like, she's a total prankster at a time for sure. She's shared some stories with us also. Now, I've seen different aspects of my mom. I don't know how many people have seen that also, right? So it might be difficult. If you don't know about all the aspects of your mom, not just one aspect, oh my God, mom, but disciplinarian, you probably would find it difficult to find a person who can replace, play the role of a particular, in her biopic, right?
Okay.
Like, think about it. Think about it and see who you can play, who you can pick as somebody who will play the biopic, right? Now, Deepa called up and said that, her mom,
Karishma Kapoor.
yeah, because she talked about all the things like, she's very docile, she's very,
Correct.
Homely,
Correct.
fair, beautiful, single parting, one plait style, right? Somebody who can pull it off nicely, right?
Yeah.
And what she actually talked about mostly, if you look at it also, Deepa talked about the aspect of her mom after she was married only.
Yeah. True that.
Nothing about what
Exactly.
How was she before? That's what you got to think also, Barajan. I know my mom how she was. That's why I actually chose Ritu Singh. But what about you guys? What do you think? Give us a call here. 408-912-2479. Because we see the
You
world.
got to look at everything, right? You can't just look at just the chulbulapan. You can't just look at that also. You got to look at how the person evolved as a character also, right? Like as a person. How did she goes from, like, let's say she was a very timid, very, bholi bhali ladki, that kind of thing. Oh, what am I saying? she was like that, and then she went into a tigress or dragon mom at one particular point in time. Like how that morphing also, which heroine would be able to pull that off?
Yeah.
Like you can't have somebody who's like, like
Alia Bhatt can't pull off the role of my mom. Definitely not.
Never.
I don't think so, because it requires a lot of, the
substance.
The aura should carry that substance.
Yeah.
So I don't think Alia Bhatt will fit that.
Neither will a person like Aishwarya Rai.
Neither will even for the matter, even a person like Anushka, Virat Kohli, whatever, she won't fit. Even Deepika Padukone will not fit, because I don't think they have the substance of what my mom has been through. That's why I like Ritu Singh. That's why I chose Ritu Singh as a character, Fatwani. Right? What about you guys? What do you guys think? You might say, nay, my mom roles can be played beautifully by, Alia Bhatt. You never know. Give us a call.
Know. Mm-hmm.
Share with us.
Yeah.
Tell us. Or you might even say Janvi Kapoor will be a best fit. I don't know. Give us a call. Share with us.
Or her mom, Sridevi.
Why
or
not?
Jayaprada.
Think about it and give us a call, yeah, man. 408-912-2479. We are here to definitely make sure we can listen to what you have to say. But you got to think outside the dabba.
Dabba.
And pick up your dabba, that's your phone, and give us a call here on 408-912-2479. 408-912-2479.
Call Abba. Abba, that's what I meant.
Okay, Deepa, this is something which...
2479.
And Karishma Kapoor ka ek film hai, which inspired Deepa to say that this is one thing she's got to play, because her mom definitely was her dad's Bibi number one. And number to call here 408-912-2479. Anu Malik Compulsive Barajan, 90s का बच्चा है दीपा 90s का बच्ची. So here you go, Barajan, 90s की बच्ची. Oh, no. That's true.
कोई बोले मुझे आजा आजा हैंडसम, कोई बोले मुझे हाय हेलो सैमसन, कोई बोले तू चिकना है बड़ा, कोई बोले तुझ में बड़ा है दम, कोई बोले मुझे आजा आजा हैंडसम, कोई बोले मुझे हाय हेलो सैमसन, कोई बोले तू चिकना है बड़ा, कोई बोले तुझ में बड़ा है दम. मैं सबसे बोलूं एक ही बात, एक लड़की भाई मेरे साथ, सोने जैसे बाल है उसके चांदी जैसा तन, वो है मेरी बेबी नंबर 1.
number to call here 4089122479. बट जान आज है मेरी सिनी माँ. मतलब अगर आप माँ के ऊपर सिनेमा बना तो कौन है माँ उस सिनेमा में? यहाँ पे कॉल कीजिएगा बलजान 4089122479. जब तक आप सुनिएगा ये गाना अनु मलिक का कॉम्पोजिशन बलजान. जनरली जब वो कंपोज करते तो उनका लिरिक्स रहता है, इसलिए इतना घटिया है. सुनिएगा देखिएगा. Generally he only writes his own lyrics. But this one actually is written by Dev Kohli, Virat Kohli's uncle.
कसम से खिली खिली वो एक कली हरदम लगती है.
कसम से
कसम से जितनी भी तारीफ करो वो कम लगती है.
कसम से
मेरे घर की है वो मलिका, बदन है फूलों से भी हल्का. रूप है उसका छलका छलका, नशा हो जैसे हल्का हल्का. कसम से पहन के साड़ी जब निकले तो क्या लगती है.
कसम से कसम से
कसम से झूम के जब चलती है तो बिजली गिरती है.
कसम से
सोने जैसे बाल है उसके, चांदी जैसा तन. देखो 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 मेरी बेबी नंबर 1. वो है वो है वो है वो है मेरी बेबी नंबर 1.
Baby number 1, baby number 1. Baby number 1, baby number 1. Baby number 1, baby number 1. Baby number 1, baby.
and of course Bajjan number to call
Oh
here
my
4089.
God! Deepa is saying her dad used to sing this song to her.
I just know it.
Oh
मुझे ना
my God.
ये सब कुछ मालूम होता है फालतू. But don't worry, don't ask me how I know it. I know it definitely for sure.
That is so sweet, Ray. Seriously.
Thank you फालतू. कभी घमंड नहीं किया.
कभी घमंड नहीं किया?
तू मेरे बारे में बोला so sweet बोलती ना.
हाँ हाँ. नहीं. I said what Deepa said about her father.
Okay. You know what? We're going to go to a break right now, Bajjan. ये गाना के और लुत्फ उठाएगा. We'll come back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Keep it right here on your favorite network, Radio Hotties. Airing live and local on Radio Mirchi 1310.
कसम से
कि अब तो चांद भी उसके आगे फीका लगता है. कसम से तौबा चाल है उसकी कैसी, उसकी आंखें हिरनी जैसी. मुझको बीवी मिली है ऐसी, दुनिया में ना होगी वैसी. वो मेरी जान है पर कभी कभी गुस्सा करती है. उतर जाता है जब गुस्सा तो फिर मुझ पे मरती है.
कसम से
सोने जैसे बाल है उसके, चांदी जैसा तन. सोचो सोचो बोलो बोलो देखो 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 मेरी बीबी नंबर 1. वो है वो है वो है वो है.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा. आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम. बोलो 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 बैम बैम. डायल तुम घुमा लो,
हॉटीज को तुम आजमा लो,
दिन भर की टेंशन भुला दो, जी भर के हंसना हंसना, रेडियो के डायल तुम घुमा लो,
हॉटीज को तुम आजमा लो,
दिन भर की टेंशन भुला दो, जी भर के हंस लो हंसना। ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा। और तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम, बोलो 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 पापा, an evening with पापा।
सीने से हमको लगा लो,
रेडियो का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लो, ट्रैफिक ये सर पे चढ़ी है, बिहारीज का साथी बना लो।
सीने से हमको लगा लो,
रेडियो का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लो, ट्रैफिक ये सर पे चढ़ी है, बिहारीज को साथी बना लो। अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा। और तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम, बोलो 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 पापा, an evening with पापा। हाथों में स्टीयरिंग को थामो,
खुशी हो या गम मुस्कुरा लो,
स्पीड डायल पे इनको लगा लो, ड्राइव टाइम का फन आजमा लो। हाथों में स्टीयरिंग को थामो,
खुशी हो या गम मुस्कुरा लो,
स्पीड डायल पे इनको लगा लो, ड्राइव टाइम का फन आजमा लो। ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम, बोलो 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 बंधु, an evening with पापा। अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा।
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
नमस्कार
Namaste.
नमस्कार
Vanakkam.
खुश आमदी
Assalamualaikum.
सत श्री अकाल.
అందరికీ వందనములు.
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जनेन्द्र
मैं इस्माइल भा बंधुओं को बोलते या अली मदद.
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बदलों को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बरजन।
वाह।
हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं से फालतू बाबा
इतना डिसेंटली बोल रहा है अभी.
और ये नौटंकी फालतू रानी।
बोलता माई
माई के टाइम पे माई के बारे में बात करते हुए माई आ गई है यहाँ पे,
माई
सबकी माई आ गई है। माई 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 मुंडे यारी पे यारी है, बोल रहा है कौवा
कौवा चीफ से कागा। What nonsense.
नंबर टू कॉल 4089122479। सोचो मनोरंजन, आज का टॉपिक ही है मेरी सिनी माँ।
मेरी सिनी माँ वो कौन सी ऐसी हीरोइन है जो आपकी मम्मी का रोल, मतलब आपकी निजी जिंदगी के मतलब not like as your mom today. We're talking about, let's say there's a movie that's been made, Bandhujan, or there's a biopic being made about your mom, where she is the heroine, the central character.
Yep.
एंड हर लाइफ स्टोरी, सोचिए उनकी लाइफ स्टोरी के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत। अपने मम्मी के हम लोग इतना कॉट अप हो जाते हैं कि हमारी जिंदगी में हाय ये नहीं हो रहा है, हाय वो नहीं हो रहा है, और ये मैं कैसे झेलूं, मैं इतना करती हूँ, मैं बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, मुझे ये करना, ओह मैं ऐसी हूँ, मैं वैसी हूँ, बहुत होता है।
अपने बारे में इतना ओपनली बोल रही है।
तो एक बार, और नॉट ओनली मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैं वैसा हूँ, मैं कैसा हूँ, मैं ऐसा हूँ,
मैं जैसा भी हूँ वैसा ही हूँ।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, वो सब सोचते हैं राइट। लाइक हमें बनाया किसने है, हमारी ब्यूटीफुल मम्मी ने। आप वो जैसी भी हो ब्यूटीफुल है।
हाँ डैडी का भी हाथ था, ऑफ कोर्स, अलग बात है।
चलो ठीक है, हाँ
कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है यार।
हाँ ओके, अभी बायोलॉजिकल बनने की जरूरत नहीं है। तो हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि उस कैरेक्टर को, उस हीरोइन जो हमारी निजी जिंदगी की हीरोइन है, एंड आशा करते हैं सभी की लाइफ की हीरोइन उनकी मम्मी होंगी, और अम्मी होंगी, या मम्मा होंगी, अम्मा होंगी, व्हाटएवर यू कॉल हर राइट। वो हीरोइन का रोल सिनेमा में कौन प्ले करेंगे? Is it going to be Jaya Bachchan? Or is it going to be Reema Laghu? Or is it going to be Achla Sachdev? Is it going to be Kiran Kher?
Or is it going to be Niruparai?
Alia Bhatt? Or what is that? Deepika Padukone?
Well, आज के ज़माने में you can even think of people like, you know, Shabana Azmi.
Kangana Ranaut.
Kangana Ranaut also has played some, can actually, she's shown that she can carry off some of the roles.
Correct.
Why? It can even be Taapsee Pannu.
Yeah.
Have you thought of the Bandhujan? Well,
Yeah.
probably your mom is a Ghungrali Bal.
Huh.
So probably you want somebody who has the who can carry off a Ghungrali Bal kind of a thing.
Correct.
Right? And I have seen Taapsee Pannu in a variety of roles. So probably she can pull off any kind of a role. But I don't know. I still have to give her a certification of being a wonderful actor. But I don't know. But if it fits your mom's profile, why not? Right?
Yup.
तो कॉल कीजिएगा। आज मेरी सिनी माँ गुरुवार में आपको यही बात करना पड़ेगा कि बोलना पड़ेगा कि कौन आपकी माँ का किरदार निभा सकते हैं अगर आपने आपकी माँ के बारे में एक बायोपिक बनाया तो।
करेक्ट।
लंबा है लेकिन अच्छा है।
राइट।
एंड राइट नाउ बच्चा टेल यू व्हाट, हमारे एक बच्चे ने कॉल किया, लेकिन आप लोग कॉल नहीं करेंगे। तेजो बोल के एक बच्चे है हमारा।
हाँ।
He called up and he shared how his mom,
Yeah.
the way she is, the aura she has, that, you know, the thing he says, the person who can play that particular role perfectly would be Vidya Balan.
हाँ,
सही
हाँ,
पकड़ा उसने।
हाँ.
And I think since we know दीपा जी little bit, no, थोड़ी बहुत मुलाकातें हुई है उनके बारे में, बात मालूम है। जब we know many things about दीपा जी, just only we don't know where she lives and all. अलग बात है, वो भी भेजा नहीं हमें एड्रेस। But yeah, he's right on, he's spot on, right? I'm sure Vidya Balan can do a wonderful justice to the role, right? So why don't we do this? Why don't I play a song, which I think also is pretty much what Deepa has in her heart also.
408-912-2479.
Deepa, this is for you.
This is for you only, Deepa. Perfectly.
One more time.
Deepa, this is for you.
रुकी रुकू मैं नाचूंगी, उंगली पकड़ ली सपनों की, आए है खुशियों के पंछी, खुली जो खिड़की अखियों की, दिल तो बलून है जुनून से भरा है जो, मेरी धड़कनों की स्वीट ट्यून से भरा है जो, दिल तो बलून है जुनून से भरा है जो, मेरी धड़कनों की स्वीट ट्यून से भरा है जो, मैं रहूं क्यों शायद।
Exactly what I think Deepa also would say. Why should I be
मैं
shy?
रहूं क्यों शाय?
Exactly. मनवा पंख लगा के, come on Deepa, let's fly.
मनवा पंख फैला के likes to fly, दुनिया पुल 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 कर keeps on trying, मनवा पंख फैला के likes to fly, दुनिया पुल 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 करे।
Sadanan and you're listening to Radio The Hotties, where the entertainment keeps getting hotter.
आजकल सच में जिंदगी है टच में दुनिया भी है भली लाइक सहेली लम्हों के बस में सपनों के चश्मे लहरों में हो चली उम्मीदों की गली थोड़ा स्वीट है
Oh my God, इस गाने के बारे में बताया नहीं कुछ दिन मैंने यार. शलमली खोलगड़े has sung the song Banjan and beautifully lyrics लिखे हैं वायु जी.
हाँ.
और उनके पार्टनर इन क्राइम है तनिष बागची.
हाँ.
सहेली है तो अपना ही भाई मनवा पंख फैला के likes to fly दुनिया पुल 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 करे keeps on trying मनवा पंख फैला के likes to fly दुनिया पुल 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 करे
And a wonderful song, right?
Yes.
I
Yes.
like the song. Very nice song.
She says what shyness it seems. She's not shy it seems. What nonsense.
Of course यार बेशर्मी की height होती है.
Oh.
हम लोग भी ऐसे हैं भाई. So what? Exactly.
No, I'm very shy. What you talking? इतनी शर्मीली हूँ.
No, you for the kind things you must be ashamed of yourself.
What? I'm not saying shame. I said shy. Shameless fellow. तेरे को शर्म नहीं आती है हमें चलो.
Number to call you 4089122.
क्या यार? Seriously आलतू बाबा 40891222479.
Seriously क्या होता है?
लो.
मजाक की तौर पे दो.
नहीं आलतू बाबा
हंस के दो. 4 number.
40891222479. No, that was very artificial. I don't laugh like that. I can't laugh on demand. I need a good joke to laugh.
Where's the joke in that, Faltran?
My own joke. That's one thing I'm good at. My dad told me, nobody laughs. You know, you tell your joke and you laugh really hard because people will start laughing based on the way you're laughing.
Wonderful. You actually practice it very much, right?
Yeah, I did. I actually practiced it because I used to be deathly scared of public speaking, Manajan. So.
No, I'm impossible, Faltran.
Oh my God, I would be so scared. Oh
You
God.
impossible. I've seen you actually perform.
And a marble
Arey,
in my
she's a national level debate winner and all, Badajan.
Okay, fine ना.
Gold medalist है फालतू
Okay, तो क्या हुआ?
हाँ exactly
तो क्या हुआ?
वही
वो
पूछा
सब बाद में आया ना बच्चे.
वही तो बोला हूँ तो क्या हुआ तेरे बारे में ना.
हाँ.
मेरे बच्चे नंबर to call you 40891222479. क्या इतना मुश्किल है अपने माँ के बारे में एक स्टोरी लिखना?
हाँ क्यों रंजीत सिंह
लानत है आप लोगों पे कि आप लोग you not even think of a story for your mom, biopic for your mom, who will play the role? सोचो.
हमने
Very bad.
actually
I'm very disappointed. I'm
I
sorry.
don't think they think of their moms as heroines.
Yes, I'm totally disappointed, Faltwani. I'm totally disappointed.
I'm really disappointed,
So-
especially like I don't know. I'm so
disappointed that I can't even I don't know what to say, Bandhujan. Seriously.
नहीं लाइन में कोई लोचा रहेगा रे.
कुछ भी लोचा वोचा नहीं है फालतू सब उल्फत हो जाएगा. By the way, the number to call here 40891222479. क्या यार अपने माओ के बारे में एक स्टोरी लिखो and publish करो and see who can be the hero in that movie.
क्या?
क्या हुआ?
Really?
What?
Who can? They don't have to write a separate story. Her story, right?
अरे हाँ तो मतलब सोचो at least even if you not go write the story मतलब effort बढ़ती है उसमें.
हाँ.
Let's see if you guys can think of.
Think of who. See,
Yeah.
for instance, right? Like for me, right? I'm so conflicted as to who. I have a few different characters that can play my mom.
Okay, come on, let's talk. I also just said I also talked about the fact that they're going to be. Faltwani.
That was I was
it you
testing the
testing lines?
I was
My
testing
goodness,
lines.
very bad, Faltwani, very bad. Anyway, so the question is, मैंने भी बताया ना, I said my mom's life story cannot be fitted into one particular story at all.
Yeah.
You have to at least have 3 sequels and at least one standalone story about her life.
No, I'm
Because all the trials, tribulations been through and everything, right?
Right.
And I picked one particular story में एक heroine में लेके आया.
like
Interesting.
you
How
know
about you?
for me I have it's a toss up Altu Baba, and so my mom I definitely want to find somebody who resembles as close in the way she looks also, because she was exceptionally beautiful. Okay, and that was one of the defining traits of her character. But at the same time, she was also beautiful truly inside and out, and at the same time she was very very fierce. वो क्या कहते हैं मतलब
Sherni.
Like Sherni. She was totally that type of mom. So it's kind of, for me, and very chulbuli too. And at the same time, somebody who's been through the worst of adversities.
Seems
that
like
I
you.
can
It
possibly-
seems like your mom has been played by all the heroines.
Yeah. So I'm trying to think who. So it's a toss up. So let's see. If I were to pick somebody to play, although she's not drop dead gorgeous like my mom, she's definitely charismatic. I would think Madhuri Dixit.
Oh, interesting, Falguni.
Because
Very nice. Okay.
She sings.
She dances
She
also.
dances.
Yeah.
She also has substance. She can hold her own on a screen.
Yeah, she's got a voice on screen also. Yes,
yeah,
right. She's
and
got a charisma.
she's also somebody who would be able to. She's got very expressive eyes, which my mom did.
Mm-hmm.
And she would be able to pull off that kind of Vazandar role as a mom, a single mom, and then, you know, all the stuff that she goes through. And also incite
Very good.
in you anger and make you cry also.
Very
and
good.
also bring in a lot of love.
Oh my God, Falguni, bang on. Yes, okay, Madhuri Dixit, fine.
Madhuri Dixit is one.
Okay.
The other, but Madhuri Dixit is very short. My mom was tall.
Uh-huh.
So there's another person who I think, if she had not got her Botox done, has some substance, some character, and also is regal in the way she looks. And nobody would pick her possibly to play that role. Who also has a very charming personality, Sushmita Sen.
And
my mom was a hardcore Bengali. So
No, I can see the reasoning behind the casting.
Yeah.
Works. It'll work. It would work. Yeah.
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 And she was like hardcore Bengali in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
sense that dil se Bengali jo bolte hai na, that's what she was. She was like hardcore.
More than dil se Hindustani thi wo.
Yeah, that's true. But then, you know, aapni Bengali, that's one thing. The fatak se, she would smell the Bengali anywhere in the
same
world.
person would go and say a numble dana for a Malayali. So
Yeah,
it's okay. I
and
understand.
she would sit in, she would like shoot the breeze in total cherry Tamil with somebody. At the same time, she would speak Agraharam Tamil with somebody else.
Oh, so sweet.
like that.
Agraharam. People don't know what Agraharam means.
Yeah.
What does Agraharam mean, Falguni?
Agraharam is like the, you know, jo temple ke priests hote hai, right?
Uh-huh.
The people who work at the temple, they all live in it's like a Brahmin colony.
Within the compound of the temple.
Yeah.
Huh.
So that'll be like that community around the temple. Those are people who are who lived in the Agraharam. So
And of course, Banjan, right now you got the thing. So, Falguni, I like it. Both our choices are very good. Very difficult to choose between the two.
yeah. Yeah.
Well, it depends. I
But
know.
both of them don't even matter. If she was alive, I would have her play her.
I know.
Huh.
We will do this, Falguni. In
Huh.
your mom's case specifically, what we'll do is we'll see whether the movie has to be marketable
Yeah.
or it's okay to have a creative outlet as a award-winning movie which is critically acclaimed.
Hey, Raskala.
So we
I
can-
will make the movie, so movie will sell.
Kuch bhi. You gotta have the hero, right? Heroine. Madhuri Dixit's name will sell, right?
No.
Sushmita Sen was poor thing. She didn't have much opportunity.
No, yeah, now because of
Not
the
now. We're not talking about now. We're talking any time in any point in time, Falguni. We're just talking about the fact that probably you'll go for Madhuri Dixit, I suppose. Because also you are also a nepotist person, right?
Why, man?
Yeah, you are a fan of Karan Johar, right?
So why Madhuri Dixit is not nepotism, right?
No, she's not.
She was an outsider from the industry, right?
So what?
Or if you have to look at somebody else, I would say Anushka Sharma.
Anushka Sharma's who?
Hey,
Huh?
she's pretty.
Huh?
She can dance.
She also got Botox.
She also does.
Oh,
serious
but she got
roles.
Botox.
No,
Forget
man,
it. Can't think about it.
the Botox, I don't care. It doesn't show.
Yeah,
so
just
much.
now you told about Botox with Sushmita Sen.
No, the reason I said Botox is affecting Sushmita
What
Sen.
is with you and Botox?
Wait!
I really don't know why.
I'll tell you, because she cannot, the way she is Botoxed her face, expression nahi dikhta hai, Altu Baba.
Arre, wrinkles
My
to dikhta
mom's
nahi na.
face was very, very expressive.
Uh-huh.
You need that वो चेहरा देख के हो जाता था कुछ लोगों को.
कुछ होता था.
हाँ, exactly.
And number to call your 408-912-2479. जब तक आप सोच आज के आप कॉल कर ले बट जन, let me give you a song which will inspire you to think about your dear sweet mommy.
Yes. 408-912-2479. Ranjit Singh Bhate Saab. Call in. I have somebody I've imagined as your mom.
Kausar Munir ka lyrics, music by Amit Trivedi, Meghna Mishra singing बट जन, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी.
थोड़ी सी क्यूट है, थोड़ी सी करारी भी, थोड़ी सी कूल है, थोड़ी सी पुरानी भी, जैसे गर्मी में ठंडा सा शरबत खट्टा
Bhajan, I hope this song inspires you to think a little more about your mom and think, हाँ, ये सब qualities तो हैं और ज़्यादा भी हैं. And I think a biopic about her will definitely require this particular heroine to play it. Give us a call, let us know. 408-912-2479. आज पैम पैम शो पे चल रहा है मेरी सिनी माँ गुरुवार. 408-912-2479.
मुश्किल में होती हूँ, अम्मी मेरी रोती है, खुशी में भी मेरी वो दुपट्टा भिगोती है, एक एक आंसू में दुआएं पिरोती हैं, कोई बताए क्या है अम्मी ऐसी होती है. थोड़ी सी सयानी है, थोड़ी सी इमोशनल, अम्मी जो हंस दे तो टल जाए हर मुश्किल, जैसे किस्मत की चाबी है वो जो खोले हर ताला. मैंने अपने सपनों का हर बक्सा उनको दे डाला. मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है.
Well, Meghna Mishra sung this beautifully, Bandujan. Music by Amit Trivedi, I told you already. Lyrics by Kausar Munir. ये फिल्म में काफी सारे अच्छे गाने थे, Bandujan. In fact, the grand finale song actually is really beautiful. And this is just a part of the song, part of the many songs this particular movie has. Amit Trivedi sometimes gives really good songs.
अम्मी के हाथों में जाने कैसी बरकत है, दाल खिचड़ी में भी दावतों की लज्जत है, चेहरे पे फिक्रों की लकीरें हैं देखो फिर भी, अम्मी मेरी दुनिया में सबसे खूबसूरत है. थोड़ी सी मोम है, थोड़ी सी वो सख्त भी, अम्मी की गोद में थम जाता है वक्त भी, जैसे उनके सीने में टिक 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 मेरी धड़कन है, मुझे उनके सीने से लग के मिल जाती जन्नत है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी.
And of course, Bhajan, we are Bandhu waiting line. Namaskar, आपका हर स्वाद है पैम पैम के मेरी सिनी माँ गुरुवार में. Who's this? Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Pam Pam. This is Gopal.
Gopal.
Gopal, hi.
How are you doing, Gopal?
Doing good. How are you?
Wonderful, Gopal. Thank you for calling us. Feel very nice, Gopal. Feels like as though my long lost friend has called me right now. What, Gopal? You're laughing, Gopal?
Yeah.
I'm emotional about this, Gopal. What is this, Gopal?
Why, man? Why you emotional, Alto Baba?
Yeah, he's like my best friend, Gopal.
Arey, we just spoke to Gopal ji, no?
We spoke to his DNA.
Best friends.
We spoke to your half DNA.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he gave a wonderful thing. Let's ask you, Gopal, your mom's role, if it were to be played by somebody, one of the heroines, right? In a biopic about your mom itself, who would that be?
So, you know, I mean, I don't know exact movie, but I can tell you Kannada movie, Kannada artist,
Okay.
Kannada actress.
Huh?
She's Bharti. Do you guys know about Bharti?
Oh,
course we know
of course.
She was one of the top heroines
my
of the time.
mom looks similar to Bharti, or I can imagine my mom to be in that role.
Wow.
Bharti was one of those people. Bharti, was she the one who was married to Vishnuvardhan?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So she actually had a long career in the industry. So she's one of the heroines who actually did Hindi movies also, Fatwani.
Oh, wow.
Did you know that, Gopal?
Oh, yeah, she
No,
did.
yeah, Hindi movies, I don't know Kannada movies.
Hindi she did.
Yeah, wasn't she the one that movie, that Rajendra Kumar movie, Likha Pat, what was it? Khat Likha something, right? One.
Ye Mera Prem Patra.
Ye Mera Prem Patra
That
Padhkar.
is Sangam.
Hey.
Yeah.
Not Sangam, some other movie, like, you know, I will know. But come on, tell us more. Why you think she'll fit the role? Huh? Hello? Hello?
Hello? Yes, I'm here. Yes.
Why?
So,
Huh.
why? I think because she looks like my mom, and I have seen her in the movies, and I find my mom to be in that role.
Oh,
That's what
wow.
it is.
Very nice.
So if it's not just looking like her. So let's say your mom's you were making a biopic on your mom's life, right?
Huh.
So talk to us a little bit about the characteristics of your mom. That was she very shy and homely? Was she more
How much do you know about her?
bulb-
How much do you know about her post-married life?
pre-married life?
Pre-married life. Sorry, pre-married life.
Yeah, she is shy and homely.
Oh, okay.
My mom. Yeah.
She was shy and homely. So, but before her marriage and all, did she ever talk about any stories?
Like how she used to be and all that stuff?
Like, she used to actually wear 2 plaits, walk around, play tennis, shuttle, badminton.
No.
No?
No, not really. Not really.
Okay. You don't
Yeah,
know, or
she-
she didn't tell
She
you?
was homely before marriage also, and after marriage also. Similarly. No difference.
Acha. Okay. So you think because I know Bharti used to look very like traditional,
Correct.
Bharatiya Nari types, right? So very cute. Okay, awesome. So we've got casting from Gopalji for Bharti.
Correct.
And Bandhujan, you would know Bharti as a Hindi actress as well because she's acted, Deepa's right, she's acted in Purab aur Paschim, she's acted in even Kuwara Baap, she's acted in movies like Ghar Ghar Ki Kahani opposite Rakesh Roshan. That's right.
See, I told you. I know she actually done some movies in Hindi.
Yeah. Hum Tum Aur Wo, that was a movie that she did. Mastana, apparently, she acted in that also. So, if you want to see who, she was very beautiful also, no?
Of course. Gopal's mom is very beautiful.
Ha.
Gopal got all the good looks from her, right, Gopal?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, I'm curious, does Chetna look like your mom?
Yeah. Little bit.
Chetna looks like her mom.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, good save.
Oh
my
goodness.
God, you're smart, yaar. Cool, man. Good one, man. Good one.
या आप लोगों के साथ रह के सीख लिया मैंने.
Oh my goodness.
That's good, yeah. That's good.
No, because I felt like Chetna looks a little like the actress Bharti. That's why. So, okay. All right. Okay, perfect. So, thank you so much, Gopal, for calling in and chiming in. So many people are not even able to imagine their moms as heroines.
I know, right?
Yeah, people are not even able to like fathom, oh, my mom could have been glamorous, my mom could be like this. Nobody ever is able to think like that.
Yeah.
थोड़ा out of the box सोचो यार. अगर कुछ नहीं तो आज अपने मम्मी को फोन करके बोलना मम्मा मैं आपके बारे में एक फिल्म बनाऊंगा तो ऐसे रहेगा.
I will take this heroine.
Yeah, what do you
खुश हो
think,
जाएंगी.
Mama? How awesome it would be, no?
I
That
know.
conversation.
Yeah, people should do that. I would do it. I've done it before.
I would
I've
do
done it with the mom actually.
Huh.
And then the mom is like, why you can't cast me in this?
Yeah.
So I've had all the discussions with mom. But mom is like, wait. Okay, anyway, good. So let's do this, Faltwani.
Huh.
Let's talk about, the not next actually. But come on, where are other people calling? Nobody's calling us.
Hey, what? Nobody's calling us. People are calling, okay? And you need to be able to be creative. क्या करें? बेचारे लोग इनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. लेकिन मैं आपको बताती हूँ. Very simple है पंचन. स्टूडियो का नंबर ये है. अगर आपने अभी तक सेव नहीं किया है, लानत है. No, I'm just kidding. Please download and save this number 408-912 2479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिएगा 408-912-2479. आपको इस नंबर पे कॉल करना है 408-912-2479. What we're asking you today is to think a little outside of yourself and your immediate what's going on in your life. Today, this whole week we have dedicated to moms, Bandhujan. We're thinking about different aspects of our mom. Usual ghisa pita, oh, love, mom is God, mom is this. Yes, all that. But we're also looking at other aspects and facets of their personality. So today we're asking you to think about her as the heroine of her own biopic. If you were to make a movie like that, who would play her? It could be anybody from yesteryears. It could be somebody from current day cinema. It could be somebody from, you know, 80s, 90s, it could be anybody.
Yeah.
Who would it be who would best fit her character as the heroine? 408-912-2479. You know, Altu?
Let's also remember one thing over here. Everybody has a story of their own, right? Everybody have their own, you know, memories and stuff like that.
Correct.
How many of us take the time to know about those things,
Correct.
right?
How many of us actually think about that, Bandajan? There's
Yeah.
like, you know, those little things that she may have done. The you know, a lot of times the life of a girl changes once she becomes a mom.
Correct.
Completely changes.
How many of you know about your mom's first crush?
Exactly. How many of you know that? You don't have to share that with us. We are asking you to think about that
Hey,
and
think
see
about
who would be the
Hey,
best to play it.
By the way, it's okay. It's fine, okay? First crush and all is okay. It's natural, right? So don't feel that it's a taboo topic to talk about. यहाँ पे कॉल कर लीजिएगा 408-912-2479. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के मेरी सिनेमा गुरुवार. Who's this? Hello?
नमस्कार
रंजीत भाटिया साहब.
Very good.
फाइनली आपका कॉल आ गया. हम तो आराम से एक सांस ले सकते हैं अभी. हाँ बोलिए
मैं कल ही
सर.
सोच रहा था
हाँ
कि अपने मम्मी और पापा के बारे में स्टोरी लिखने के लिए
हाँ.
कि कैसे उन्होंने लाइफ में स्ट्रगल किया.
हाँ.
तो मेरी नजर में अपनी मॉम की इमेजिनेशन आई थी हेमा मालिनी की.
अरे वाह.
Oh wow.
Nice.
Wow,
I
very
like
nice.
it. I like. But why? Why बताओ.
हाँ.
Beautiful.
तो क्योंकि शी लुक लाइक हेमा मालिनी एंड लिटिल बिट जयाप्रदा.
Ah.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow, how beautiful is your mom?
He as beautiful as him.
Wow.
Haven't you seen him? He has come here, of course. थोड़ा आपका वो दाढ़ी वाड़ी मुझे.
सर आप यकीन नहीं मानोगे मेरी मम्मी भी ऐसी दिखती थी.
Really combination of them, huh?
Yeah, like
very good.
Jayaprada and Hema Malini. Hema Malini obviously because of the Iyengar whatever.
But she also had the looks of Tanuja also, suppose, a little bit.
No, actually there's another actress.
Well, the point, all good-looking people look alike, Faltari. It's fine. Leave it.
Yeah,
हाँ,
that's
हाँ.
true, actually.
But sir, I totally like it. I like it. So you're saying that because of looks you're gonna hire. तो जो आपके mom का अगर characterization लिखा जाए तो what would be the that particular character? उसका
हाँ.
क्या qualities हो सकता है जो आप can you
शी
share?
मीन्स जैसे ममतामयी माँ होती है ना, बहुत प्यार से रखती है सब बच्चों को.
Compassion. Okay.
और डिसिप्लिन में रखती है.
Very good. Okay.
तो और हर चीज में मतलब उस जमाने में इतनी ज्यादा पढ़ाई लिखाई तो होती नहीं थी. सिर्फ ओनली 5th ग्रेड पढ़ी हुई थी. लेकिन उनको देखकर कोई बोल नहीं सकता था कि वो पर्सनालिटी ऐसी थी कि लगता था कि किसी कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल है.
अरे वाह. Very good. So she had the aura with that particular command
तो
of people. Okay.
एक बार मैंने किसी को घर पे इनवाइट किया था, एक फैमिली को, कि हमारे घर पे आओ.
हाँ.
तो उन्होंने इमेजिनेशन किया था कि इनके घर पे कितना शोर मचा होगा,
हाँ.
बच्चे चिल्ला रहे होंगे, ये होगा वो होगा.
हाँ.
लेकिन जब वो आकर गए तो दूसरे दिन मुझे बोले तुम्हारे घर में तो बिल्कुल शांति थी, तुम्हारे भाई बहन बिल्कुल कुछ वो शरारतें नहीं किए. मैंने बोला तुमने मेरी मम्मी को देखा था? बोले हाँ, वो तो किसी कॉलेज की प्रिंसिपल लगती है.
Very good. God bless. Very good. Sir,
तो
thank you. Sir, ये
मुझे
देखो.
कहीं लेकर जाती थी
हाँ.
या किसी बच्चों को लेकर जाती थी, बोलती थी अगर वो खाने के लिए कोई चीज रखेंगे
हाँ.
तो जब तक मैं इशारा नहीं करूंगी तब तक किसी चीज को हाथ नहीं लगाना.
अरे वाह.
हमारी
तो
मम्मी
हम
भी
लोग
ऐसी
बोलते थे अच्छा ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो एक बार किसी के घर गए, बहुत गर्मा गर्म समोसे आए थे. तो मैं थोड़ी देर तक देखता रहा, फिर मैंने बोला मम्मी इशारा करो ना.
Nice.
आपको कूटा होगा बाद में.
नहीं
नहीं.
हंसने लग गई, बोलती इसको बहुत खाने की पड़ी हुई. कोई नहीं बच्चा है, दो उसको 2 समोसा दो.
नहीं. Good. But do you know any story about your mom before marriage?
Before marriage, she was from Lahore actually.
Wow.
Okay.
And my Nana ji and my Dada ji, they meet in Lahore. They have big shop there.
Uh-huh.
और दोनों ने वो बात करके रिश्ता पक्का कर दिया. तो मेरी माम उस टाइम सिर्फ 11 साल की थी.
Oh wow.
Oh my God.
Oh wow. Okay.
तो उसके बाद उन्होंने सारी, जो हमने देखा तो नहीं है, पर उन्होंने जो स्टोरी सुनाई है कि हम लोगों ने कितना स्ट्रगल किया हुआ है लाइफ में.
Yeah. नहीं
वो
सर,
लाहौर
आप
से किसी पास में किसी गांव में शादी करके गई थी.
Oh my God.
हो सके तो अपना स्टोरी कंप्लीट कीजिएगा, हमें भेजिएगा, मैं पढ़ूंगा जरूर.
हाँ
हाँ
बिल्कुल.
जी,
एंड
जरूर.
फिल्म बनाएंगे सर, डोंट वरी. फिल्म
उसका
बनाएंगे.
फिल्म बनाएंगे.
हाँ, हेम मालिनी नहीं तो किसी और को ले लेंगे हम लोग. डोंट वरी, हम कास्टिंग कर देंगे. डोंट वरी.
हाँ.
हाँ. हम हमारे पास सब प्रोजेक्ट है सर. डोंट वरी, कर देंगे.
हाँ.
हाँ.
Yeah.
ढूंढ लेंगे
जैसे मैंने
लड़की.
एक बहुत लंबी स्टोरी लिख कर रखी हुई है कि वो हमारी फैमिली की स्टोरी तो नहीं है, लेकिन लोग पहले पाकिस्तान में बिछड़ते हैं
Yeah.
हाँ.
फिर वो अमेरिका में कुछ लोग आ जाते हैं, फिर वो दिल्ली जाते हैं, वहाँ से शादी करके लाते हैं, फिर वापस अमेरिका में आकर मिलते हैं.
अरे वाह.
इस टाइप की स्टोरी लिखी हुई है मैंने.
Oh wow.
हेलो सर, सुनते हैं, हो सके तो हम शाहरुख खान को लेते हैं उसमें. हाँ, शाहरुख खान doesn't charge for nice stories.
Really?
हाँ हाँ.
Wow. Okay.
भेज देंगे उनको, शाहरुख खान जी को. Okay?
शाहरुख खान जी चार्ज नहीं करते.
हाँ, स्टार्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट में स्टार्ट नहीं करते. He'll take all the other profits afterwards.
हाँ.
तो आ जाओ बातें इसके बारे में. Thank you so much.
बिल्कुल. Thank you so much कि आपने कॉल किया and शेयर किया and really it's wow. क्या बोला उन्होंने. इट्स रियली फनी. अच्छी यादें ताज़ा हो गई. हाँ.
Thank you so much, sir.
समोसे आलू मामा, that reminds me of the True Nice biscuits.
Yes, very
Yeah.
good.
Thank you. All right, sir. Thank you so much for calling in.
And of course, the number to call you 4089122479. 4089122479. And yes, Balajan, we're talking about आज मेरी सनी माँ. मतलब अगर आपकी माँ के ऊपर एक स्टोरी बनी, आप बनाएं, तो कौन सी हीरोइन को लेंगे as the person who's going to play the role of your mom?
You know, I'm going to change right now.
Change जल्दी.
नहीं, मैंने बोला माधुरी दीक्षित, मैंने बोला सुष्मिता सेन.
अभी बदलेगी तो अच्छा लगा. बदल.
अभी उस जमाने की हीरोइन को लेते हैं तो the best fit for her role would be Vaijayanti Mala.
Vaijayanti Mala, very good.
Very perfect fit. Good looking, talented, super duper actress and
why not Padmini?
Total woman of substance.
Why not Padmini?
No, Padmini doesn't
Melodrama.
have. No, my mom had that innocence in her face.
Oh no, melodrama.
Which no. Padmini didn't have that innocence in her face. Right?
Hey.
She looked a little chalu. Sorry, my mom was not chalu.
Kuch bhi.
Yeah.
Padmini also is nice, by the way.
Whoa.
But Vaijayanti Mala will take it. Fine. You're the person choosing, Fatma. Don't worry.
Yes.
You're the people who are choosing who the. We're not going to judge. We're not going to knock on the thing. We're going to take it as it is. Okay?
Yeah.
And of course, but let me tell you one thing. Why I asked you about this is because it's very important to actually know more about your moms.
Yes.
Moms know everything about you.
Yeah.
How many of you actually take that extra time, sit down with them across a cup of tea, ask them, अरे आपकी यादों के बारे में बात करो, आपके life के बारे में बात करो, let's talk about that, you know? These are things you got to start keeping conversation going, right? These are the ones they will also appreciate the fact that you're genuinely interested in their life, right? Now here's a beautiful song I'll play, Fatwani, for our bandhus to get excited about the fact, you know, just talking about how, you know, the memories are always there for every single person. Everybody has memories.
Right.
Here's a nice song sung by Palomi Ghosh, music by Amit Trivedi Banjan, from a movie called Helicopter Ila, where Kajol is playing the role of a mom.
Yeah, a single mom.
ये दिल है मेरा या है एक यादों की अलमारी, इस अलमारी में रखी है मैंने अपनी दुनिया सारी.
You know what I like about this movie is Padmani, actually a story about a mom.
Yeah.
And about a mom who actually single mom जो भी कहते हैं, right? लेकिन उसका भी एक life होता है, and that's what we're trying to establish right now, right?
Yeah.
कितने हमें if you think of your mom that way and say यार मेरी माँ के ऊपर story बनना है, right?
Yeah.
Come on, yeah, there's so many things out there, right? Let's make a story. Come on, let's start writing stories about our moms. Now give us a call, tell us who will play the role of your mom's biopic. Number to call here 408-912-2479.
एक wallet है leather का जिसमें रहती थी कंगाली, एक भूला बिसरा गाना. लाखों है निगाह में जिंदगी की राह में सनम हसीन जवान, एक भूला बिसरा गाना और एक बियर वो भी उधारी वाली.
And everybody has a life. I've actually had wonderful moments with my mom where she has shared her life pre, marriage and everything.
Yeah.
And it's so nice, interesting, the kind of, story she used to share with me and all stuff. It gave me total different perspective about my mom. You do it, Banjan. Try it out for sure. Give us a call here 4089-122479. Namaskar. आपका हाथ स्वागत है मेरी सिनी माँ गुरुवार में. Who's this? Hello.
Pam. कौन है डार्लिंग?
किया तो डरना क्या, जब फोन किया तो डरना क्या. हेलो, हाय, who's this?
हेलो Pam.
एक और मौका मिलेगा आपको.
आपका फोन अनम्यूट करें प्लीज. आपका शायद म्यूट बटन दब गया है या आपका ब्लूटूथ पिकअप कर गया है और आपकी जो बातें हैं हमें सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. तो जल्दी कॉल करें 408-912-2479 और चेक योर ब्लूटूथ सेटिंग्स.
चलो यार, अभी कट कर देते हैं, बाद में कॉल कीजिएगा फिर से 408-912-2479.
एक यारों की अलमारी, इस अलमारी में रखी है मैंने अपनी ये दुनिया सारी। एक रफ कॉपी का पन्ना जिसमें तूने लिखा था प्यार, जिसे तकिए के नीचे रख कर मैंने पढ़ा था बारंबार। आंसू और मुस्काने कुछ मीठी और कुछ खारी, हर खुशी की खातिर थैंक यू, हर गम के खातिर सॉरी। इस अलमारी की चाबी का छल्ला है तेरी मेरी यारी।
हेलो नमस्कार, आपका हर स्वागत है पैम पैम के सिनेमा गुरुवार में। Who's this? हेलो
हेलो पम पम।
अरे फाल्गुनी जी,
मैं आपके बारे में ही सोच रही थी।
मैं भी
आप
सोच रहा था
यकीन
आपके
नहीं
बारे में।
मारोगे,
Yes.
आप यकीन नहीं मारोगे।
सो सॉरी, फोन लगाने में थोड़ी देर हो गई, मैं देख रही थी मगर मैंने सोचा अब तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा।
हाँ वेरी गुड। तो बताइए
वेरी
सुल्लू।
नाइस और सच ए यूनिक टॉपिक।
तो हमारी
आई डोंट थिंक कभी किसी ऐसे टॉपिक की चर्चा की होगी।
हाँ, तो हमारी सुल्लू जो है ना, अगर उनके बारे में बायोपिक हुआ
हाँ।
तो हु वुड प्ले द रोल ऑफ सुल्लू, बताइए। हाँ बट people don't know. People don't know.
वैजयंतीमाला।
Wait, people don't know who सुल्लू is. हमारी सुल्लू फाल्गुनी जी की मम्मी है,
हाँ।
राइट?
हाँ
हाँ, तो वैजयंतीमाला बोल रहे हैं आप। अरे हाँ हाँ,
हाँ, क्योंकि वो जब यंग थी ना तो उनके बाल भी कर्ली थे और वो
हाय।
सब वो आर्टिस्ट थी ना तो मोस्टली सभी वैजयंतीमाला की ही कॉपी करती थी वो।
अरे वाह। Well, actually, she had a smile like Vaijayantimala. I remember the smile. Yes. Very true. Very
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
तो
And उनको देवानंद बहुत ही पसंद है।
I know. मुझे मालूम है।
हमें अच्छी तरह से मालूम है।
Yes. मुझे secretly बताया उन्होंने actually. देवानंद। Very true. Very good. तो आप बोल रहे हैं कि just because of looks you would say she can play the role of your mom.
No, I think it's a little more than that also. Not just the looks, right, Falguni ji?
Because your mom used to dance also, is it? She was a good dancer.
Yeah, she was very modern when she was young. At that time, like I'm talking about almost 65 years back.
Wow.
She was wearing pant and shirt and goggles and very, very
Stylish.
advanced and mostly probably all the movies she was watching. Is very fond of watching movie, watching drama. So totally she was like my cinema mom.
Very true. I'm going to play a nice song for you. What song will actually fit the thing, Falguni? I'm thinking she's done a good number of movies with Kishore Kumar.
I think her a song would be that Ina Meena Dika,
हाँ.
in which she's
हाँ,
dressed.
वैजयंतीमाला का वही। और अगर very old classical movies like from movie आम्रपाली और चित्रलेखा और she was like more like naughty Ina Meena Dika kind of
Yes.
thing,
Ina Meena Dika, or that song, no, what is
तेरी
that?
हुस्न की क्या तारीफ करूं, लीडर।
डोले रे कठपुतली डोली।
कठपुतली डोली was nice.
हाँ,
Yeah.
या संग बांधी।
चलो we'll play कठपुतली, okay? Okay.
Yeah.
के लिए हाँ, that or actually in Ina Meena Dika also she's very cute in that particular song. She looks very
Of
odd.
course.
Yeah. So
Even वो है ना मैं क्या करूँ राम मुझे बुड्ढा मिल गया। इसमें भी she looks so cute.
yes. That's so
Very good choice of heroine.
Yeah.
I like it, Falguni ji.
Have you thought of writing your mom's story, Falguni ji?
A story about what?
About her, yeah. About her life.
लिखो।
There is lots of story. I think even you guys also know about the story. But you said which match with the movie. That's what you said?
No. We're asking you, have you thought of writing a story about your mom?
Yeah.
I should. Yes,
हाँ,
I should.
जब लिखोगे ना,
yeah.
उसमें एक आध सीन हमारा भी डाल देना साथ में।
आपका तो सबसे पहले आता है मालूम है जब अगले दिन तक आपको वो याद कर रही थी। और लास्ट में आपके शो में आ रही थी वो, आपको तो हमेशा उनके आशीर्वाद आप दोनों पर हमेशा है।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Falguni ji, thank you so much. जब आप लिखोगे तो हमें definitely involve कीजिएगा. We'll make sure we can actually read the book also, and also we'll make sure we will watch the movie or help you make the movie also. You never know.
Right. Yeah.
Yes, we can.
ठीक है?
Yes.
Thank you so much, yaar.
Thank you so much, Falguni ji.
Thank you for getting us such a nice topic. So I got chance to talk something about my mom.
Wonderful.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's our pleasure. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Falguni ji. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening.
Wow, Falguni, dekho, we're getting a lot of stories that way, a lot of heroines. Now, if you look at the most popular thing now, that's what is happening right now. I love this. We have changed the whole notion of moms.
Yeah.
Roles.
Yeah.
Dekha, but people are now thinking of Vaijayanti Mala role. We're thinking of, things like Hema Malini. You talked about Shushmita Sen. You talked about
Madhuri Dixit.
I talked about.
Hey, lekin, you know what? I'm really curious. Except Kangna Ranaut, it seems Chetana said that Kangna Ranaut for Deepa, for her mom.
Yeah, because the movie Panga.
Yeah. And then, what is that? Vidya Balan. Outside of these people, none of the, the Katrina Kaifs, the Kareena Kapoors, nobody is picking them. Why?
Why? Because they don't fit the role, na. देखो कुछ सच्चाई होनी चाहिए कैरेक्टर में.
हाँ.
उनका परफॉर्मेंस में उनके जो
I think Kareena is a good actress. Yeah, I mean, given a choice.
ना नहीं बोला बाबा, लेकिन करीना तो people unfortunately don't look at it that way, right? समझ लेना बात ना. हाँ. Because of all whatever she's done, they don't look at that person who can actually carry off. But probably she will give an opportunity. But I don't think people actually see their mom's role being played by Kareena Kapoor.
Really?
Yeah.
Because she's too glamorous?
I have no idea. Why moms can't be glamorous?
That's what I was saying.
Why can't moms be glamorous?
My mom is very glamorous.
Exactly.
Oh my God. My mom is like Dot.
But the thing is, even my mom for the matter, but I would not cast Kareena Kapoor as a mom's thing because my mom has got a different kind of characterization, right? So Kareena Kapoor will not fit. No, she won't fit all roles. Kareena Kapoor won't fit all roles, dude.
Really?
Yeah, she won't fit all roles. She's not like a person who can mold it into roles.
She surprised people with Chameli, man.
Let them surprise. Aura Baba. She might be surprising them. Doesn't matter. But
Colin Milja, we'd like to hear from you. What is your take? Why aren't people picking people like Taapsee Pannu or Deepika Padukone or Kareena Kapoor? I mean, do you not envision your mom like that?
Yeah, and of course, but then I'll tell you why Kareena Kapoor, because Faltani promotes nepotism, so she really wants to. What? You promote Kareena Kapoor?
What nonsense?
Don't you?
No.
Are you not for nepotism?
I know.
Okay, good.
No.
Good, Father. I want to know that. Yes.
Yeah. Whatever. And who are the other actresses?
अरे बहुत सारे हैं.
Shraddha Kapoor.
सोच के आप कॉल कीजिएगा.
These females you can't even these ladies you can't even think of them. Well, maybe not. Shraddha Kapoor has done some serious roles, right?
Well, it's not the question they're doing serious, right? Whether your mom's role will be fit for them to do.
Yeah, it is possible, right? Like some...
Possible, but nobody had thought of it. I can never think of Shraddha Kapoor in the role of my mom. Well, one of the stories I'm going to write of my mom, probably Shraddha Kapoor will fit in there.
Huh?
Yeah, one of the stories of my mom, which I planned. I've got multiple stories, right?
Oh, you're going to do like that, different characters.
Yeah, different.
But it's the same girl.
No, not necessarily. It's about the same girl, but different. Because there every aspect of it, right? You can't capture. I don't think one heroine can do justice to all the aspects of a mom.
Huh?
So you got to do different things. Like James Bond, for the matter. James Bond has been there for so many years, right? It keeps changing every 10 years.
Correct.
Right? Similarly, my mom's story will keep changing after so many years. The characters keep changing every time. That's all. That's the way I'm looking at it. So, but then here you go. A nice song for you guys.
I'm surprised the men don't think of their moms like heroines at all. It's mostly women who have called.
No.
Only Ranjit Singh Bhatia saab called. Oh, yeah. Gopal's called. Sorry.
Come on, what is this?
Yeah. We'd love to hear from you, Bundujan. The number to call us at the studio, 408-912-2479. Where Pranamji can't think of his... Anybody to play his mom, huh?
बतलाते किसके लिए बोल रे कठपुतली डोरी कौन संग
we got somebody talk about a particular actress. I would cast.
No.
I want a name to my grandmother.
Yes. Well, you know what?
Yeah.
I will tell you, Bandhan. You said it's such a hatke topic.
Yeah.
This hatke topic came from my mom.
Yeah.
She would always say, whenever she would look at this particular actress, she would say that if I make a movie about my mom, I'll cast this actress.
Exactly.
That
Bandhan.
idea I got from there. And
I
this
know.
she told us
Again,
when we were kids.
What is the wisdom I share with you sometime ago, Faltari? No idea is.
No, for me, all my good ideas are from my mom.
No idea is a new idea.
No.
Yeah.
No.
That is yours.
No.
Your ideas.
जानबूझ कर छेड़ के मुझसे पूछे ये संसार बोल रे कठपुतली डोर
And of course, Bajan, this is Vajanti Mala and a nice Chulbuli Vajanti Mala also, by the way. And yes, Suluji actually will fit this. Suluji's story will do total justice when you cast Vajanti Mala in it, for sure.
Oh, wow.
I can guarantee on that.
Yeah, that's
No,
why,
but-
you know, even for my mom, I thought Vajantimala would be a good fit. You know why? Because this is the song that she taught me the dance to.
Uh-huh.
She would dance like this. Believe it or not, oh my God,
Yeah?
I wish I could go back to those days.
Of course, so be it.
She would dance.
It's a matter of like this, Faltoni. I'll tell you, you can always go. Time travel is possible.
That is true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all in the mind. You can go there and come back.
Yes.
And number to call you, Banjan, 408-912-2479, 408-912-2479.
Call in. Aditi, we saw all your comments on Facebook. लेकिन call करके बोलने का यार. What she said, right?
Yeah. Hello, you got to call up and tell us. Otherwise, we can't.
It is really funny what you've written. So, call it, really. 408-912-2479.
I don't know why Deepa is after me to play Pura Pachim Gana.
I
Deepa, do one thing. Give us a caller. You sing the
That's
Gana.
because Bharti, man. Her husband said no. His his mom. So you got to play something for her also, right?
Yeah.
Bharti's.
So sweet. She looked.
Yeah. 408-912-2479. Exactly. She is no frills and all elegance. So बनता है उनके लिए एक खूबसूरत सा गाना. So जल्दी कॉल करें 408-912-2479. अदिति जी कॉल करिएगा. Hey, Alto, what are you playing for us now?
I was going to play a song Pura Pachim.
Which one?
Dulhan Chali, Pehen Chali, Teen Rang, something like that song, which has Bharti in it.
Okay.
How about that, Falta? You know, you want...
Play. I don't know.
I can play something else if you want. You tell
What
me.
is Bharti's hit songs in Hindi, man?
I have absolutely no idea, Faltoni. It was actually something we had to just pull up right now. So I'm pulling it because Deepa has told me to play.
Deepa, which song from Pura Paschim? Tell us.
Yeah. Deepa, give us a call. I'm waiting for it. 408-912-2479. 408-912-2479.
उस पूरब का जिस पूरब ने हर ज्ञान दिया दिए बुद्ध मुहम्मद.
Welcome back to Samajja. We are on the waiting line. Namaskar. आपका हाथ से Pam Pam. Who's this? Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Sorry यार इस वक्त कॉल करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है नहीं तो मैं जरूर करती हूँ but I have done it anyway.
Very
तो बहुत
good.
डिस्टर्बेंस होने वाली है इस कॉल में.
Arey, no worries. We love it when Shiru comes in. It's fine. You know me. I am the only one who speaks his language apart from... Faltoni, you understand Shiru's language? You don't, right?
Yes.
Yeah. He always says, yeah, Pam Pam. He tells me awesome, Altu Baba and also.
And he goes, go.
That means Altu Baba, I love you.
There you go.
He
Okay.
growls like Sheru. That's what makes me sick.
That's why, we also
in the morning he
agree with
wakes up he's like
That's so sweet. Yes. Okay, we'll ask Shiru separately about who will play your role.
Yeah.
But you tell us who will play your mom's role, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We like what you shared on Facebook, so share with everybody.
I was thinking यार मैं कब से 2 घंटे से सोचूं who would my mom cast? Who I would cast? And we're coming up with an answer. And I realized, because she's split personality. So we all call her to tease her. She's in a bad mood. We call her Madhubala because she loves it and then she goes to cloud 9. She thinks she's Madhubala. But my sister and I were like, Mom, Mother India, Nargis, like total drama queen.
Yeah.
But in actuality, she's somewhere in the middle. And Nutan is also a favorite actress. So I think that he embodies her.
Yeah, you know,
It's
Nutan
very
would
simple.
actually... Nutan will play... If I were
Drama,
to,
but so beautiful.
if I were to do a movie about my grandmother, it'll be Nutan playing a role.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I've just dated my mom.
No, not like that.
Yeah. The thing is that the
I know, I'm kidding.
yeah. No. By the way, getting the heroine is not dating your moms. By the way,
Yeah.
it's just that seeing who will fit that role properly.
Who would be the best actress to play her life as a heroine?
Yeah.
Right? So
Correct.
who would be the best
Yeah.
fit? So would you say that Nutan looked very docile and very sweet and very क्या कहते हैं मतलब no drama, very
No, but she has
सीधी
like,
सादी.
drama side and naughty side, like in Tere Ghar Ke Samne and some of those movies.
yeah.
You know, she's
Yeah.
like very like naughty. She has that side also, but then she's also like very elegant and very.
Aww.
She has a tragic side also. Some of her movies like Bandhani, like she's like
Yeah.
tragic.
So your mom has a tragic side also, like very. Oh yeah. You said no,
Arey,
sort of like
pura
Nargis.
masala.
Oh really? Wow.
ऐसे ही नहीं बने.
Yes. I get it.
That is interesting.
So sweet.
But
Very
life
good.
is so fun, na? Like that. Like we're a house of women, mom and two girls, and wow. I mean,
Party. Party.
what would I give to go back to those days?
I know, seriously, man. Seriously.
You're asking us or telling us? I know, we all want to go back in time.
Even if I ask.
I don't know. We are Tatastu Dev. We just say Tatastu for everything.
Yeah.
So be it, we'll tell you guys.
Yeah.
Hey, but I've got a very beautiful song for your mom, okay? I'm going to play a song for you. Because I'm imagining your mom as that beautiful Nutan.
Huh.
A nice song is there describing Nutan's beauty.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
okay.
but it's sung by a male though. It's very nice. Okay, so here you go.
Hey,
Dedicated.
no, really?
Why not?
It's
Why
a
not?
description of her looks, right?
Yeah. Chandan Sabadan. No?
Uh-huh.
No?
You want?
Oh, okay. Your choice. What song do you want to play?
you tell us which song of Nutan you want.
Oh, Dutan ka. Yeah, the song is good. Any song from Tere Ghar Ke Samne is amazing. Play. Chandan Ka Badan is good.
Nice. You can tell your mom we play the song for her dedicated.
Yeah, I'm going to play this for her. I'm going to make her
please.
listen. She's
Lead
actually
those
down right now. She's also got COVID, but they're doing good.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to play this for her and cheer her up.
Yes, please do. And sending positive wishes and, positive vibes to you guys.
Yeah. Seriously,
Hope they feel
prayers for her quick recovery. Hope everything is good. And, she...
Yeah, she's good. She's a fighter.
Good.
Awesome. Perfect. So big hugs to you and everybody in the family and take care. And
Take care.
Have a good one. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन धीरे से तेरा ये मुस्काना चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन धीरे से तेरा ये मुस्काना मुझे दोष न देना जगवालो मुझे दोष न देना जगवालो हो जाऊं अगर मैं दीवाना चंदन
A beautiful song dedicated to Aditi's mom. Hope she feels much better and she bounces back for the Jan. And with this song, we're going to be signing off today. And I hope you enjoyed Meri Sini Ma Gurwar, where we asked you if you want to make a biopic of your mom, which is the heroine you're going to be choosing to play the role of your mom, Jan. And right now, this song, anything else you want to say, Faltoni, before we leave?
Nothing, Manajan. We're just going to tell you that, if you're fortunate enough to have your moms in your life, pick up the phone, give them a call and tell them how awesome they are. Seriously, tell them about the show. Tell them that you thought about them as a heroine and ask them. Put a smile on their face. It'll definitely, I guarantee you, it'll put a smile on their face if you call them and ask them this question. If you're not, then think about them and smile and give yourself a hug because they never leave you. So this is to all the moms out there, giving you a big hug and I hope everybody does well. We'll see you tomorrow morning, inshallah, in Chaganesh, right here on Radio The Hotties with Good Morning Bay. Tab tak ke liye hame ijazat dijiye.
Good night.
Shabak hai.
And a pyar bhara.
Maza aa raha hai na? Great music, Vinajan, for the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You can get it on Radio D Hotties. For more information, go to MediaMahima.com.
अरे तूने